Underwater life, also known as marine life, refers to all the living organisms that exist beneath the surface of oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers. This mysterious world covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and contains millions of species, many still undiscovered. It is a place of beauty, danger, and endless wonder. 1. The layers of the ocean. The ocean is not the same everywhere. It has different layers or zones depending on sunlight and depth. Sunlight zone, epipelagic zone. This is the uppermost layer where sunlight can reach. It extends down to about 200 meters, 656 feet. Most sea life lives here because plants can photosynthesize. You'll find colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, turtles, and dolphins. Twilight zone, mesopelagic zone. Between 200 to 1,000 meters, light becomes dim and cold. Creatures here include lanternfish, squid, and bioluminescent jellyfish that produce their own light. Midnight zone, bathypelagic zone. From 1,000 to 4,000 meters, it is completely dark. The pressure is immense, and temperatures are near freezing. Strange creatures, like anglerfish with glowing lures and giant squids, survive here. Abyssal zone, between 4,000 and 6,000 meters. Almost no life can exist, except for specially adapted species, such as deep-sea cucumbers, snailfish, and basket stars. Trenches, Hadal zone. The deepest part of the ocean, beyond 6,000 meters, includes trenches like the Mariana Trench, home to some of the most extreme life forms on Earth. 2. Types of underwater habitats. Coral reefs. Known as the rainforests of the sea, coral reefs are built by tiny coral polyps. They provide food and shelter for a quarter of all marine species, including clownfish, seahorses, and sea anemones. Kelp forests. Found in cooler coastal waters, kelp forests are made of giant brown algae. They form underwater jungles where sea otters, sea lions, and fish like rockfish live. Open ocean, a vast blue desert filled with moving life, from drifting plankton to huge whales and sharks. Creatures travel great distances searching for food. Deep sea, a mysterious world with no light and crushing pressure. Here, organisms use bioluminescence, natural light production, to hunt, attract mates, or defend themselves. Polar seas. Near the Arctic and Antarctic, the water is icy cold, but life thrives. Penguins, seals, krill, and whales depend on each other in a delicate food chain. 3. Examples of marine creatures. Fish. Clownfish, tuna, sharks, rays, mammals, dolphins, whales, seals, invertebrates. Jellyfish, octopuses, starfish, crabs, plants, and algae. Seaweed, phytoplankton, corals and sponges, simple but vital life forms that filter water and provide habitats. 4. Adaptations for survival. Underwater animals have amazing features to survive. Gills, for breathing oxygen dissolved in water. Fins and tails, for swimming efficiently. Camouflage, to hide from predators. Bioluminescence, to glow in the dark depths. Blubber or fat layers, for warmth in cold seas. 5. Importance of underwater life. Underwater life is essential for the planet. It produces more than 50% of the world's oxygen through plankton. It provides food for billions of people. It regulates climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. It supports tourism and recreation through diving and fishing. It keeps the Earth balanced through complex ecosystems. 6. Threats to marine life. Unfortunately, underwater life faces many dangers. Pollution, plastic, oil spills, and chemicals harm animals. Overfishing. Too many fish are caught faster than they can reproduce. Climate change. Warmer oceans cause coral bleaching and melting polar ice. Habitat destruction. Reefs and mangroves are being destroyed. 7. Protection and conservation. To save underwater life, humans must reduce plastic use, stop illegal fishing, create marine protected areas, MPAs, support clean energy to fight climate change, educate others about ocean conservation. Conclusion: underwater life is a breathtaking world full of mystery, color, and diversity. Every drop of water hides stories of survival and beauty. Protecting this world is not only about saving sea creatures, it is about saving our own future on Earth.